Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome settings reset problem step by step in 2026. If Chrome keeps resetting your settings, homepage, search engine, or startup pages, it can be caused by corrupted files, conflicting extensions, or security software interfering with the browser. Let's solve it. First, check for malware or unwanted software. Go to Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Cleanup Computer and click Find. Chrome will scan for programs that may reset your settings automatically and remove them. Next, check Extensions. Click the three dots, go to More Tools greater than Extensions, and disable all extensions. Some extensions, especially ones modifying browser behavior, can force resets. Test Chrome with extensions turned off. If the problem stops, enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. Now, check your antivirus or security software. Some security programs reset browser settings to enforce defaults, temporarily disable the software, and see if Chrome maintains your settings. If it works, adjust the antivirus settings to allow Chrome customizations. Make sure Chrome is up to date. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and install updates. Updates fix bugs that can cause random resets. Another step is to reset your Chrome profile. Press Win plus R, type %, local app data %, /Google /Chrome /user data / and press Enter. Rename the default folder to default.old. Restart Chrome. This creates a fresh profile without affecting bookmarks or synced passwords. If the problem persists, reset Chrome settings manually. Go to Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Restore settings to original defaults, then confirm. This clears temporary misconfigurations and often fixes recurring reset problems. Finally, if none of these steps work, reinstall Chrome, uninstall it completely, restart your PC, and download the latest version from the official website. A fresh installation eliminates hidden issues causing settings resets. And that's how you fix Google Chrome settings reset problem, step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.